If you're a teenager right now, you've been lied to about money. I know it isn't the best news in the world, but get this, school didn't teach you this. Most adults don't even know this stuff. And if you don't watch this video till the end, you might end up paying for it later. My name is Joseph Rosenberger, and today I'm going to be going over a couple points regarding money that might help you right now and in the future. The first point, what? The first point that I want to make is that money is a tool and not a trophy. Do not use money to flex. At one point, that's okay. But at this stage in your life where you are right now, you should use it to buy time and freedom. Especially because at this very moment, whether you're my age, 18, around your 20s, in your late 20s, maybe, I don't know what you got going on in your life, you will never have more time than you do at this instant. Trust me when I say this. There are people who have a ton more responsibilities than you do at this very moment. So just using this time now and realizing that you have more time than a lot of people can make you a lot wealthier than most. This brings me to my next point and why I think time is so important in anyone's investing journey. So the point is, start early. Compound interest is your friend. Let's say you were 18, right? Let's say you are 18 or you're around that age and you started investing $50 a month today. And you do that for the rest of your life. That is far better than someone who is in their 30s investing $500 a month. And this really just emphasizes how important compound interest is in anyone's journey. Point number 3, no one's coming to save you. I know that sounds harsh, but the truth is, at one point, you will not be able to rely on some of your friends, your school, or even the system to teach you wealth. The truth is, you're going to have to teach yourself how to become wealthy. And the question is, how do I do that? Well, you read books, you listen to podcasts, and you continue watching videos just like this one. And if you're not sure where to start with what books you should start reading, I have a list of books down in my description that you could start reading. And they're the exact books that I started reading to provide videos just like this one to you guys. Point number 4, learn to manage $100 before you ask for $10,000. Of course, that's pretty obvious. But always remember this, discipline is always greater than income. Always. It's not about how much you make. It's about how well you're able to manage what you already have. Whether it's $10, $100, maybe even $1,000. It all depends on what you do with the amount of money that you have in your bank account. The reason the majority of people who win the lottery go broke so quickly is because they were never taught how to manage the money they already had. You could also say it's because they also spent it on a lot of dumb stuff. Point number 5, buy assets and never approval. If you find yourself spending your money on something to get the approval of someone else, just know that person is not your friend. Do not spend to impress. Instead, spend to invest. Rich people do a great job at continuously growing their wealth and finding different ways to do so, while broke people do a great job at enhancing their image. So the question is, who do you want to be? Finally, point number 6, learn to look at the long term of things and not just the short term. If you only look at the short term of things that you want to accomplish and not the long term, then it's going to be much harder to sustain over the next several years. It's kind of like investing in the stock market and building wealth in it. It takes time. And you are super blessed to have a lot of it. Take a look at the world's most successful YouTuber, Mr. Beast. If it wasn't for his relentlessness in posting content consistently and his focus on the long term of his channel, he wouldn't be where he is today. So remember, you're young. That's your power. If you enjoyed this video, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to my channel. Thank you for being here. Your support does mean a lot. Like always, stay blessed.